Okay guys, as you can see, I am about to vacuum the kitchen floor because it needs a vacuuming bad, and I thought I could just do it for a YouTube video. So, let's get started. We just got a washer, and I moved that over here. That way it's not going to be in my way when I'm vacuuming. When I need to vacuum over here, I'm going to have to move the washer and put it, over here where I'm standing. Also, I'm going to be moving the iPad around the kitchen as I vacuum. That way you guys can see me if I'm vacuuming over here by the door or if I'm vacuuming over by the cat food. When I vacuum over by my room, after I move the washer, I'm going to probably maybe put the iPad over near the cat food area, wherever you can see the best. But right now, I'm vacuuming in this area, so you're gonna see me vacuuming over here first, and after that, I'll move the iPad around, different spots, like I said. So, but anyways, let's get started for a good YouTube video. And my mom really wants me to vacuum the kitchen bad, so she's at work right now. I thought I'd vacuum to surprise her, so the dust cup in the vacuum is empty at the moment. I'm going to vacuum, and there's probably going to be lots of stuff inside it when I'm done, so we're going to get started now. I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. There is one issue about this. I cannot pause the video, so you're going to have to just watch me move the washer and move the iPad and everything when I put it in different directions so you can see me vacuuming. That's just one problem. I wish I could pause the video, but I can't. But whatever, I'm not complaining. At least I can make longer videos. That's one thing that I'm really happy about. But without any further talking, let's get started with vacuuming the kitchen. So here we go. Okay, so I just did this first part of the kitchen. Now I'm gonna move the iPad and I'm gonna move the washer. I just had a voice crack. I apologize for that. So I'm moving the iPad and the washer. The washer's gonna go right where I'm standing. And the iPad's gonna go over, maybe, I don't know, somewhere around this area over where the microwave is or something. I'll probably do that. So if you can hang on a moment, I'm gonna move the washer. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit hard. Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Stupid washer. But we had to get a washer so we can wash our clothes in the washer without having to wash them by hand. You know, I think that's a lot easier when you have a washer to wash your clothes. I think that's easier than, you know, having to wash them by hand. I think it's, you know, a lot more convenient that you have a washer to wash your clothes with. Okay, now I'm gonna move, I'll move the table over here. And the cat litter box, I'll move that too. Just so you guys can see what I'm vacuuming. I know the first part probably wasn't the best, I know. These videos could be improved, but at least they're good enough, you know? Because I do them for you guys. Okay, now moving the iPad. Probably right here is going to be a good enough angle. I hope. Yeah, I think this angle is going to be good because you guys can see me vacuuming. Okay, perfect. If I have to move the iPad for a better angle, I'll do that. But as of right now, I think this angle is great. So now we'll get started. that freaking cord is driving me crazy. You probably saw I had to move the cord out of the way numerous times. That's a pain in the butt that I have to do that. So now I just vacuumed this whole area of the kitchen. Now I'm gonna move the washer back to its original spot. I'm gonna move the table back to its original spot, and now I'm gonna work on vacuuming over by the door and by the cat food area. I'm going to work on doing a lot under the table with the hose. That's coming up. But right now you're going to watch me move things back. So obviously the vacuum has to go. I'll just move that over here for a second. I'll put the washer back to where it was. Ah, shoot, this thing is heavy. Alright, I got it. Alright, perfect. Now moving the table back to its original spot and the freaking cord. Move that out of the way again. Ah! Throw this in the trash. Alright, now I'm gonna have to move the iPad again. Alright, now, this angle is probably not going to be very good. I apologize for that. This angle here is probably the worst angle of the whole video. If I can try to make it better. That's the best I can do. I'm probably going to have to move the iPad a couple times here. That way you guys can see me vacuuming very easily. But anyways, yes, I'm able to squeeze the vacuum through this. So, I'll be able to do that. This part of the video is probably not going to be the longest. In fact, this one's probably going to be the shortest part. But I'm going to vacuum over here now. And of course, you guys already know what vacuum this is. This is a Dirt Devil self-propelled Vision. You guys, if you've seen my videos ever since I first started YouTube back in July of 2018, you probably know this vacuum very well. When I found it on the side of the road on June 6, 2018, when I was walking home from school, it was just sitting there, and you know, I saw it. But let's get started with vacuuming this part of the kitchen, and I'll talk to you more later at the end of the video. So let's do this part now, and let's get started. I'll use my foot to turn it on. Okay. I told you guys that would be the shortest vacuuming part of the video. Just This little small spot, like right over here where I am sitting right now, is pretty much all I had to get done over here. So now I'm gonna probably move the table again. Should I do that? I think I might. So you guys can see me, you know, vacuuming the rest over there by the cat food area. So I'm gonna move the iPad once again, because of course I'm now using the iPad to make videos now, because I don't need my phone no more, which is excellent. Okay, how am I gonna do this? That's going to be the angle for now. I'm going to move the cat food out of the way. To be honest, I'll probably keep the bowl here because I'm going to use the hose, this part of the vacuuming video, to vacuum off all the junk on the cat food tray. Of course, I'm going to do the floor as well, but, you know, at the same time, I'm also going to work on cleaning off the cat food tray as well. So, freaking cord always in my way, like always. The vacuum does have a cord clip on it, but that doesn't really... I never really used a cord clip, so I don't... Okay. The table is now out of my way. Now make sure the freaking cord is out of my way. The stupid ass cord. Alright, perfect. I'm going to use the hose first to get, I'm going to use the hose to clean off the tray first. So, this is the hose here, and I have a brush tool. You guys know the brush tool right here? I'm not going to have to use the brush piece this time because I don't have any use for it, but, wow, the vacuum has already picked up quite a lot of stuff. See, this vacuum's powerful, guys, you know? This is a powerful vacuum. It's old, but it still has a lot of power left in it, and you know? Alright, I'm going to show what the tray looks like now. This is the cat food tray. Have to get all this crap vacuumed off it, so we'll get started with that now, and let's do it. Here we go.
good, I'm not gonna lie. It feels awesome doing that.
Okay guys, well, I just vacuumed the whole entire kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the part where I turned off the lights and you can see the headlight, really nice. I did that just for you guys, and I thought that was really cool to do that, so I thought you guys thought it was really cool as well. If you can hold on a second, I gotta get a really quick drink of water, and I have to dump the vacuum. I have to dump all the stuff that was in the vacuum that was in the dirt cup out in the garbage. So let me get a drink of water first from the sink, and I'll come out here and do what I gotta do. Hold on, guys. Alright. Next step. Dump the vacuum. Want to see what it picked up? Look at all that stuff inside there. It might be hard to see, but it picked up all that junk. See all that crud in there? That's all the stuff that it picked up. So let me go and dump it out in the trash can. I'll be right back in probably maybe, I don't know, maybe a couple minutes. Because I gotta go dump this out. So let me go do that. And yeah, I'll be with you guys in a second. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. Got lots of dust on my hands. Actually had to roll up my sleeves before I started dumping the stuff out of the vacuum. Okay, I'm back. Just dumped the vacuum, got all the stuff that was in there all dumped out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my hands. And then I'm going to move the table. So let me wash my hands now. You know, gotta have your hands clean before you, you know, move the table back and everything. just what I like to do. If you want to do it differently, that's fine. I do these vacuuming videos for you guys, so really hope you guys enjoy them. I know you guys do enjoy them. I'm happy you guys do enjoy them. I really appreciate that you guys love my vacuuming videos. It means a lot to me that you guys watch them, and I'll do more coming up, and I'm really looking forward to your comments that you guys are going to send me. So, and I hope I get some awesome comments on this video too. Because that'll be awesome. It'll be red. R-E-D spells red. Remember that. It's not R-E-A-D. It's R-E-D. 3 letters. R-E and D. Red. R is for red. Alright, I'm done with that. Now what I gotta do, I gotta dry my hands off. Because obviously my hands are wet because I just washed them. You can see my hands are all wet. Now I gotta dry my hands. I just washed my hands, but now I have to dry them. So, by the way, I'm washing my hands. I'm actually using toilet paper to wash my hands. I know it's kind of strange, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to dump it in the toilet, and I'm going to flush it down the toilet. So you're going to hear the toilet flush in a second, because I'm going to dump all that down the toilet. But I got the kitchen all vacuumed up. It was extremely dirty. Probably still kind of dirty now, but like pretty much the main stuff that was dirty, like the floor pretty much. The floor was definitely dirty. I'm happy that I got all that cleaned out, and the floor is nice and clean. This vacuum always does a great job on vacuuming. It's extremely powerful, and even my small Eureka that I have, you guys probably know this vacuum right here. You guys know this Eureka Airspeed 1? This vacuum is pretty powerful too. These two vacuums are both very powerful. But in my next vacuuming video, I'm probably going to use this vacuum right here. Because I use this one. I'm going to use this one next. So, just keep an eye out for that. Okay. Now I gotta put the table back. In the vlog I made last week, I vacuumed the living room. Now in this video, this is not a vlog, but it's still a video, I vacuumed the kitchen. So, really happy you guys are enjoying these videos, because I work really hard on doing these for you guys, and I've been a huge fan of vacuums like ever since I was probably like 3-4 years old. And I love vacuums, and I collect them. I try to collect them, but my mom doesn't always have enough money to buy vacuums. She never really has money to buy vacuums anymore. She used to, but obviously, like I said, I found this on the side of the road. June 6th, 2018. It was the 6th day of June, 2018. I was walking home from school. I was in 7th grade at the time, grade 7. I found this vacuum, brought it home, tested it, it worked, but it needed a belt because the brush roll wouldn't really roll. Or maybe it did roll, but it just, it was, extremely loose. And that's not good when that happens, but, it was something like that, and, I had a spare belt from another one of my vacuums that I didn't need, so I put it on this one. And after that, it worked great, and it still works great now. It's a wonderful vacuum, and if I ever find another one of these or anything similar, you know it's going to be in my YouTube videos and my vacuuming videos. So, but it lost the extension piece, unfortunately. I'm probably going to have to get a new one for it if I can find one. But I still have my Dirt Devil Featherlight bagged. It's outside on the porch right now, but it needs a bag. I really miss using it. I gotta get a bag for it so I can vacuum with it again. So hopefully I can find a bag for it, and you know, if I can, that'll be excellent. Because I really want to use it again. And my Bissell Power Force Helix is also gone. I gave it to one of my friends. One of my school friends, he needed a new vacuum, so that's why I no longer have my Bissell Power Force Helix. I miss that vacuum, but that person really needed a new vacuum, so I gave it to them. And if I find more vacuums, I'm gonna, collect them, and I'll show them in my YouTube videos. Can't promise I'll find ones anytime soon, but what I'm saying is, whenever I do, I don't know when, but whenever I do, or if I ever do, if I like it, which I do like vacuums, like, I'm a fan of, the older vacuums. The newer vacuums are okay, they're decent, but they're not, like, they don't have all the reds that I'm looking for. So, I don't think these are in the right spot, but who cares? It's my mom's job to worry about that. I'll put some fresh water in this, and I'll go to the bathroom sink for the cat. Because we lost Tango and Freddy, we only have Scotty left, so get some fresh new water for him. Alright, perfect. New water for the cat. Nice fresh water. Gotta walk slow so I don't drop it. It's not gonna be good if I drop it. That'll be a huge problem. Oh shoot. Okay, not a huge problem. Alright, next step. Put the table back. This is an old table. We had it for a long time. I probably wasn't even 5 years old yet when I first saw this table. This is an old ass table here. Alright, I think the kitchen looks back to normal now. If I can show you guys here, you guys can probably see. Oh, nice, 42 minutes into the video. See, this is what a new iPad will allow me to do. Longer videos. See the kitchen, back to normal. And like I said, got a new washer. And there it is right there. It's a brand new washer. If I can show you a little more easily. If I can do that, which hopefully I can. Crap. Okay, I'll show you the best that I can. So, this is our new washer right here. That opens up. I'll show the inside of it now. That's the new washer that we got. It's a pretty nice washer. I have to say so myself. I kind of like it. I mean, not the bestest, but, gonna have to figure a way to connect it to the sink. Because there's a type of tool that we have here that can try to somehow connect it to the sink. But there's a piece of the sink here that unscrews, and that's how we can try to get it on, but it's not going to be an easy process because there's all these freaking pieces, and it's not something that can be easily done. It requires a lot of hard work, so... Because, you know, these pieces, like, they don't even fit, so... Probably gonna have to figure something out here later. Probably gonna have to find a way to, you know, make it fit, because we really need to have, you know. And this is the hose that goes to the washer right here, so yeah, basically. Also, I want to talk about something else. I went to Colin's house today and we made a video together. Tried to chug a water bottle, but it failed epically, and I got water on Colin's bed. It was not the best, and there was water on the floor, but it made a pretty good video, and we laughed at it big time. Even though, so Colin has to have some new stuff, new sheets on his bed, and a new blanket. I feel bad for him for that, but at least we got a good video, and there's a possibility when I go to Colin's house again, I might be able to make some more awesome videos like that. Because I was wondering, hey Colin, are we going to be able to do a video today together? And we did a video together, so that's amazing. I'm happy, and you know, it's for your entertainment. So if something happens that's not good with us, we do it for you guys to laugh at it. You don't, like, it might be a problem for us, but it's not going to be a problem for you. But it makes you laugh, and it made us laugh too. But it's an easy thing to resolve. It's not really a gigantic problem. There's worse things to happen in the world. Have one more drink of water, and I'll end off the video, so... Okay. I really hope you guys enjoyed this extra long vacuuming video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, like I said. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I only have, as of right now, I only have 124 subscribers. If you would like to subscribe, please, I want you to do it. I'm not gonna say you better do it, because I feel like I want to say that, but I'm not. But what I'm gonna say is, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. You know, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. You know, post positive comments only. What do you think of the vacuuming video? Do you guys have any suggestions? Do you guys have any request videos with vacuuming? What do you want me to vacuum? You know, try to, give me a request if you want to. If anything you want to request me to do. If I can do it, I'll do it. If you want me to vacuum the living room again, if you want me to, vacuum the rug again, whatever, just giving examples, any of those things. If you want me to do them, I'll do them. I can't do all requests, but I can try the best that I can. I'll try to accept every single request that I get. So whatever it is, maybe rants, vacuuming videos like this, anything technically, whatever you request me, I'll try to do it. Just one thing I'm not going to request, car startups. That is something I have a huge problem with. Hypercritical One, all he cares about on this channel is car startups, and I'm not trying to be mean here or anything, but I do have some car videos on this channel, but you're probably not going to see that much more of them. You might see some videos of me and my mom driving around in the car, car rides and stuff, but you're not going to see me doing startups on a car no more. Unless maybe my mom gets a new car, that's a different story, but, as of right now, no more startups. Not even my mom likes it, so Hypercritical one, if you don't like that, too bad, because I don't really have any other cars right now, but I promise, Hypercritical one, when my mom gets a new car, I'll do a startup on that. Does that make you happy? I really hope so. Really hope it makes you happy, but anyways, guys, back to the topic of the video. Yeah, the kitchen was extremely dirty. Had to vacuum the kitchen. The kitchen's nice and clean now. The floor is nice and clean. A whole lot cleaner than it was before I even started the video. So, with that being said, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You know, make sure you post some awesome comments. Any requests you have. You know, tell me what you think of the video. And, yeah, basically, you can see my reflection over there. But anyways, guys, have an awesome rest of your night. And, I'll see you in the next video, and I apologize I wasn't uploading anything recently. I just didn't feel like making any videos. So now I had the opportunity, I had my opportunity to make a vacuuming video, and I can't talk. I'm really sorry and crap, and you know, I just can't talk right at times, and I really apologize for that. But, yeah, guys, basically, this is the vacuuming video. Hope you enjoyed it. R is for red. I'll see you guys in my next video. And I hope you enjoyed this video.